Hey guys, it's Matt Smallbone from Forest River FR3. I want to show you guys how the generator is operated. So every FR3 is going to come standard with this NPS 6000 watt generator. Very simple to operate. You actually do have an ability to start and stop it out here on the outside with this button here. To prime the generator, you're actually going to press down on this for 5 seconds and then start it after that. That will allow you to bring gas in to start it up. NPS also has the ability to have a pull start in here as well. So you can actually pull start to start this generator too. So if you don't have electric and this is not kicking over, you do have the ability to pull start that. There is a couple ways to start it on the inside as well, which I want to show you next. Okay guys, so inside the coach or outside as well, you do have a key fob that will come with your set of keys that allows you to start and stop from there as well for the generator. But then also you don't have to go outside to start your generator. You are actually going to have a generator button here as well. So up will start that, down will stop that. To prime it from the inside, you're going to hold down the down button for 5 seconds and then press start.